So Clearborough, North Dallas, 2024 Lexus F Sport, all-wheel drive, full wrap, Xpel Ultimate Fusion film with a full window film with XR PLUS window done in 70/30 all the way around. Keep in mind this is factory privacy glass, so we went over that with 30. Give it a little bit more darkness in the back, but not much. Keep in mind we are inside, so it's tough to tell. Making sure all our edges are wrapped in. I'll go around all that. Removed all the emblems on it, debadged it, and ceramic coated it over the ceramic because the person that owns this wanted extra ceramic. And let's go ahead and go over the install. So starting with our hood, you'll see that all our edges are fully wrapped in. We don't spare any expense to make sure that this gets done properly. This whole car was polished and decontaminated, so decontamination first obviously, and then the polish. Then we remove all the emblems so that we get a nice clean look and then put them back over the PPF. It's just like the car getting painted. Base coat, clear coat, emblems go on. Well, our new clear coats, the paint protection film, emblems go over that. We don't ever cut around them or plot those. Everything's custom. These come off, so we have a nice, clean, seamless look, fully wrapped underneath, fully wrapped inside. All our headlights are done, fog lights. Our tow hooks, those are all wrapped in, no big oblong lines. All this black is done all the way through. Coming around over here, the mirrors, somebody touched them. Fully done in one piece, like always. Our doors and our fenders fully wrapped into this joint. Our mirrors were taken off, so there's no line. Our handles were taken out, so there's no line. Everything functions perfectly. It's not a big deal. This is removed. There's a Torx in there. It unscrews just like a key. Coming back this way, all these moldings, getting the PPF under those, no problem either. Coming up around the top on this A-pillar, we come from the rear all the way around, and no break in the seam. Everything rolls into the vehicle. So far, we've been around more than half the vehicle. No lines, no evidence of film. Everything's wrapped in under this glass. Lexus goes here, nothing here. So we removed Lexus. We removed NX 350, and then all-wheel drive is over here. We'll put Lexus back in black instead of chrome. And our bumper fitting in perfectly, wrapped underneath, wrapped inside along with the quarter. Our fuel port fully wrapped in, no lines anywhere. I'll pop that to show you where the PPF goes, just so you don't think I'm showing you a car that just got prepped. So here's our film edge right here. It just comes all the way around, and then inside here, there's our film edge running up around here. So nice way to have it installed. Same here, all the A-pillars fully wrapped in all the way under, or the fender flares, door, much more the same work over here, minus the smudge. Everybody likes to touch them when we're done. I don't know why they got to touch it. It's not going to do anything. So fully wrapped in, no evidence of PPF. When you buy a new car and you wrap the whole car, whether it's a full front or the full car, why would you want evidence of the product? Have it so that it doesn't look like it's there, so you can enjoy the natural look of the vehicle, like said vehicle here. There it is, Clearborough, North Dallas, 24 NX 350 F Sport. Not a common car to do, but this person likes this car, so we did this car in a full wrap. So there you go. Thanks for watching. ClearboroughNorthDallas.com. If you need to comment or get a hold of us, direct number 214-414-3809. If we don't answer, feel free to leave a message. You can also text that number directly. It'll get to me. If you don't leave any messages or something, I won't know how to get a hold of you. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.